Lesson 4.2.1, Creating and Interpreting Frequency Distributions continues. In this video, we will organize data sets into marginal frequency distribution tables. Tigers live between 20 to 26 years in the wild. So just to recap from the last video, marginal frequency distribution, it displays the total of the frequencies in the columns, rows or columns of a frequency distribution. Alright, so this time we're going to do our marginal frequency distribution. All we're going to do is find the totals of each row. So we can do that by saying 3 plus 4 is 7, 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, and then we could do the same thing across the rows. 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 is 9. For class B, we're talking 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 3 is 10, plus 1 is 11. And in this corner box should be the total of either the column or the row, and it should be the same thing. So 9 plus 11 is 20. And if we check 7 and 4 is 11, plus 4 is 15, plus 5 is 20. So it checks out. If it doesn't, then you messed up somewhere along the way in the math that you did. So what I'd like you to do now is go to example 2 and fill in the marginal frequency distribution for that problem. So this time around I'm going to show you a little trick. If you type equals, you can click on sum and it will actually do all the math for you. If it doesn't automatically pop up, you can just type equals sum and it'll pull it up for you. Equals sum. You can do the same thing for the rows as well. So this one here, and then also when you do that, it'll highlight and put a box around the stuff that it's adding up so you know that it's doing the right stuff. Part of the reason for the marginal frequency distribution is to make sure that you have all the total numbers that you have. So like if I were to count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There are 20 things in the table. This here should be 20. If it's not, then I messed up somewhere in my counting. So with that, that's how you make a marginal frequency distribution.